Hello friend, welcome to Digital Study, your true well-wisher. I am SN Hawk, and today, as you know, I will discuss the current affairs of 15th May. So friend, before starting this, please subscribe my channel and allow all notifications to get remind of all my videos. And if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, let's start. The first question of today. Asian Development Bank has committed how many rupees to India as loan? So this year, in the year 2020, Asian Development Bank has given loan of 3.92 billion US dollar. Some information about Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank has given loan for 13 projects in India. The president of Asian Development Bank is Masatasuko Asakawa, very important, and it is founded in 19 December 1966 and its headquarters is Manila, Philippines. Everyone must know all the information. The second question of today. The Indian Chamber of Commerce, that is ICC, conferred with organization with the Green Urja Award. So ICC conferred IREDA with the Green Urja Award. IREDA, that is Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited, has been awarded for being the leading public institution for renewable energy. The chairman and managing director of IREDA, Pradeep Kumar Das, has received this award for the Director General of International Solar Alliance, that is ISA, Dr. Ajay Mathur. Third question. Which country has recently launched 3 Yagan 30 satellites? Do you know this? The right answer of this question is option C, China. So, China recently launched 3 Yagan 30 satellites. Some information about this satellite. The 8th group of this satellite has been built with the new multi-satellite network operation mode. Fourth question. Who has recently won Whiteley Award 2021? The right answer of this question is option A, Wainaklu Pom. So he has been awarded for his effort in establishing a biodiversity corridor in the state. So question 5 of today. Recently, which state has witnessed the outbreak of the Asian swine fever? So in the surge of COVID-19, there is a state in India in which there happens an outbreak
African
of
swine fever.
The name of the state is Meghalaya. Some information about this. Meghalaya recently informed that the resurgence of the Asian swine fever has killed 300 plus pigs last month. The CM of Meghalaya is Conrad Sangma and the governor of Meghalaya is Satyapal Malik. Sixth question. Which country has joined with SpaceX to provide Starlink internet? Do you know this? Recently, Google has joined with SpaceX to provide Starlink internet. Under this deal, SpaceX will install Starlink ground station at Google data center that connect to the Starlink satellite. Seventh question. National Technology Day is celebrated every year in which date? So every year National Technology Day is celebrated in 11th May. Some information about this. This day makes the anniversary of Pokhran nuclear test in 1998. The theme for this year is Science and Technology for a Suitable Future. Eighth and last question of today. Which organization has announced to set up a private space mission for the first time? Option A, NASA. Option B, Action. Option C, both, and option D, none. The right answer of this question is option C, both. Both NASA and Action has jointly organized this. So both NASA and Axiom Aerospace has announced to set up a private astronaut mission to the International Space Station. The headquarters of NASA is Washington DC, and it is founded in 29 July 1958, and motto of NASA, for the benefit of all. So friend, that's all for today. Please like this video and share this, and if you need the PDF of this lesson, please join in my Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channel is given in the description box. So friend, that's all for today. Good morning and goodbye. Thank you.